for the day is Reyansh Jha.
This is a cricket ball. How many of you play cricket? Raise your hands, please. Great, that's a lot. You see, cricket has become a religion in our country. Cricket rules our country. Ever since we won that glittering silver trophy on the 25th of June 1983 against West Indies, our lives has changed. Everybody born and raised in the 2000s has started worshipping players like Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, and of course, the great, legendary Sachin Tendulkar. And people like us, people who were born in the 2010s, you know who we worship? Roku, of course. Then, but what about hockey? What about football? Why don't these sports grow? You see, hockey was low-key cooking in the 1930s, okay? And we had players like Major Roop Singh, Major Dhyan Chand, who won gold medals for India. But now those trophies are rusting in our trophy cabinet, and we're just replacing them by bronze medals every so often. Football, of course, the great sport. We used to play this game in the 1960s and the 1950s. We won the 1954 Asian Games and the 1968 Asian Games. We were known as the Brazil of Asia. But now, we're stuck on 142nd in the global rankings. Imagine how big of a downfall that is. You see, we need to bring changes in cricket. We need to bring changes in the world's greatest and biggest sport in order for these sports to also grow as well. First point, you know how much money BCCI has? $2.25 billion. That's 28 times more than the Australian Cricket Board. First thing we should do is that we should divert this money and help in globalizing cricket. This will help in better and more experienced national teams. And this will give more competition to the India-dominated sports landscape. Second point, you know why the IPL is a small durational league? It's because the national teams take up the main mantle. What we should do about this is that the national teams should have a specific window, and the franchises should be growing. You see, IPL is made up of franchises, not clubs. The businessmen who own the franchises. It's not people controlling the club, it's businessmen. So what we should do about these franchises is that we should hand over the power that these franchises have over to the people, making it a real club. This will help in growth of the IPL as well as the growth of the national teams. And finally, cricket has 3 formats: Test, T20 and ODI. What should we do about this? I say we keep it, because there's some things known as the essence of cricket. And this is the essence. If you remove the essence, then the sport is just like any other sport, like football or hockey. So, I would like to conclude my talk with one simple thing. If you want to see cricket growing, if you want to see more competition, more players, then you should implement these changes. Because in the end, cricket is the world's best sport. Thank you.